Hello friends and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to recreate Shraddha Kapoor's makeup look from the movie Street Dancer. So if you want to see how I recreated this look, so keep on watching. So first here I'm taking Maybelline concealer and I'm going to apply this on my eyes to form the base. And now with the help of a beauty sponge, I'm going to blend everything out, and the concealer we use will help us to form a clean and nice base for our eye makeup. And now to set my eyes, I'm going to use Maybelline Compact, and using the same beauty sponge I'm going to set my eyes. And here comes the main part of her makeup, that is the eyeliner. So she had very nice winged eyeliner, so here is what I'm trying to create. And here I'm using Lakme eyeliner. You can use any eyeliner that you have. So here she had a nice curve at the starting of the wing, so here is how to do that. And here is the key to achieve the kind of eyeliner look she had, to work in small strokes. Actually I liked her eyeliner a lot because I really like winged and cat eyeliner looks. So this one was very challenging for me at starting when I started to practice this eyeliner look, but later on I just got my hands on it and I created this look. So the key is to work in small strokes. Keep yourself calm and going. As you can see, I'm going really slow here because I don't want to get a mess on my eyes, because one wrong stroke can mess the whole look. So work slowly. And if you saw her pic, she had extended eyeliner going through her inner corner. So here what I'm trying to do to extend the liner from the inner corner. So here I'm done with the first eye, and here goes the second one. So here goes our base makeup, and for priming my face I'm using Patanjali's aloe vera gel, and we will be completing our eyes later on after our base makeup is done. And here I'm going to use the same Maybelline concealer and spot correct on my face. As you can see where I'm having discoloration or spots anywhere, so I'm using the concealer for this purpose. And she had kind of natural look going on her face, yet so flawless. So now with the beauty sponge, after spraying some rose water on it, I'm going to blend the concealer that I applied on my face like this. Also here blending out the concealer that I applied to hide my dark circles. So here we are done with the blending part. And here I'm using the same Maybelline Compact and setting the areas on which I applied the concealer. And basically I'm setting my whole face because we have just blended out everything that was going on our face. So here we are doing the setting part. And also I have oily kind of skin, so it's very important to set your base makeup. And here now we are going to complete our eyes, and here I'm using Himalaya Kajal to tight line my waterline because she had very nice defined and bigger looking eyes. So here I'm going to bronze my face a little bit using Savannah bronzer. And here I'm going very light with the brush here because we don't want any harsh lines on her face, and also she was not having too much heavy contour on her face. So yes, contouring a little bit of my cheek area and my forehead and also the jawline. And now using the same bronze shade, or you can say the darker brown shade, I'm going to contour my nose because her nose is very slim and nice sharp. So I'm going to contour my nose very mild, not too much, not too harsh. So here is how I'm doing this. And here I'm going to use the Wet n Wild blush, and going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Very light, very mild, not too much, just a hue of rosiness. And here I'm applying this lip shade from the Maybelline Creamy Mattes, and here is the completed look. I hope you like this makeup recreation of Shraddha Kapoor by me, and if you liked my video then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.